I think I'm going to call this makeup look a very mauve makeup tutorial. So I'm going to start with some moisturizer, then concealer on the lids. I'm going to blend that out with a damp beauty blender. Using the Your Shades palette from Amazon, you can get that through my affiliate link down below. I'm going to be using the dark purple color. If you don't have the palette, just use any dark color purple. And I'm going to show you how many times I go in with the dark purple. Less is more, we build color up. Windshield wiper motions until we are at the color that we want. Using the less is more approach helps with less fallout, and it makes it easier to blend. It's very hard to blend out any color when you put like a huge splot of it on, and then it's just very hard to like blend that out. You just want to make sure that it's like nice and seamless when you do makeup. With my fingers, I went in with a shimmer shade pink, which is in the Your Shades palette from Amazon, but if you don't have that, any shimmer shade will do. And then on the corners, I did a dark purple pink color, also from the palette. Again, whatever you have is fine. Then I always pump black into the corners. Well, not always, but in this look, I'm pumping black into the corners with a more precise brush. This one's from MAC Cosmetics. Most of my brushes that I'm using are from MAC Cosmetics. As I always say, my professional brushes are at the salon, and I use those for you guys, and my not so great brushes are home. Then I want to take a fluffy blending brush, also from MAC Cosmetics, and I'm going to blend up that black just to kind of give my lids more definition. I'm not adding any extra product to this. This is just like a clean brush, and I'm just using to blend out. Eyeliner is optional as always, but since I'm not doing fake lashes with this look, I opted for liquid liner on top and pencil on the waterline. Next is my tinted moisturizer that has SPF, and I use that in place of foundation. Followed by concealer that I apply with my fingers because I don't have my professional brushes. And then I tap that down with a beauty blender that is damp. With the same beauty blender, I use my RCMA setting powder. I think I'm the only person in the world still using the setting powder, but I love it. There's no flashback or anything like that. It's just really a fantastic one. Then while the setting powder is on my face, I go in with the e.l.f. bronzer that I think it's just regular e.l.f. bronzer. I'm not really sure what it's called. And I do C-shape motions. You can definitely do E-shape, but I have a very defined jawline, so I don't find the need to do E-shapes. So I do C-shapes. A little tongue twister. Then I remove the setting powder with a clean brush. You don't want to be putting the bronzer underneath your eye, so make sure you use a different brush than what you're using your bronzer with. And then I go in with the Kathleen Lights Retrograde from ColourPop blush. It's a beautiful orange with shimmer color, which kind of helps me with not having to also do a highlight because it just gives a beautiful, beautiful look. Then I go in and I brush through my brows. If you guys didn't get powder brows like I did, you're definitely going to want to color in your brows, even if you use the same color, just to make them pop. It's just kind of hard. They disappear sometimes when you put makeup on your face. Sometimes your brows disappear. So even if you love the way your brows look without makeup, sometimes you still want to color them in when you do have makeup on. But again, I got powder brows done. You guys can follow my powder brow journey, so I don't need to do this step. Always curl my lashes. That is so important. I always curl my lashes, and I always apply mascara. Even if I am putting on fake lashes, I'll still apply mascara to the top first. Then I would apply my fake lash, and then I would apply to the bottom lash line. I would apply mascara. To the lips, I'm using the Madly Matte, and this is a very mauve color as well, and I just thought it kind of complemented my eyeshadow look. But honestly, since I wear a mask anyway, who really cares? And that's kind of the fun part of getting to do your makeup when we have to wear a mask. Like, how fun is that? I hope you guys like this video. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.